Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are delving into the heart of ISO 12207, exploring the core processes that define the software lifecycle. Understanding these processes is fundamental for anyone involved in software engineering. Let's dive into the details. To set the stage, let's briefly recap the significance of ISO 12207. It provides a standardized framework for software lifecycle processes, and at its core are key processes that guide the development, testing, and maintenance of software systems. Requirements development process. Our journey begins with the requirements development process. This process is the foundation of any software project. ISO 12207 emphasizes the importance of systematically gathering, analyzing, and documenting requirements to ensure a clear understanding of what the software needs to achieve. Key aspects of requirements development. Within the requirements development process, ISO 12207 outlines key aspects such as the identification of stakeholder needs, the establishment of requirements traceability, and the verification of validation of requirements. This meticulous approach ensures that the software is built to meet user expectations and business objectives. Design process. Moving forward, we encounter the design process. This is where the conceptualized requirements begin to take shape. ISO 12207 guides organizations in creating a robust design that translates requirements into a detailed blueprint for the software architecture, interfaces, and components. Levels of design in ISO 12207. The standard recognizes multiple levels of design, including system design, software design, and detailed design. Each level contributes to the overall structure and functionality of the software, ensuring a systematic and coherent development process. Testing process. As we progress through the life cycle, we reach the testing process. ISO 12207 places a strong emphasis on testing to verify and validate the software. This involves a systematic approach to designing, implementing, and executing test cases to ensure that the software meets its specified requirements. Types of testing in ISO 12207. The standard outlines various types of testing, including unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Each type serves a specific purpose, contributing to the overall quality assurance of the software product. Maintenance process. Beyond the development and testing phases, ISO 12207 acknowledges the importance of the maintenance process. This involves activities aimed at preserving and enhancing the software's value over time. Maintenance may include bug fixes, updates, and the addition of new features. Corrective versus adaptive maintenance. ISO 12207 distinguishes between corrective maintenance, addressing defects and issues, and adaptive maintenance, which involves adapting the software to changing environments or requirements. This comprehensive approach ensures the long-term viability of software systems. Integration and interconnectedness. As we reflect on these core processes, it's crucial to recognize their integration and interconnectedness. Requirements influence design, design influence testing, and maintenance circles back to impact requirements. ISO 12207 encourages a holistic perspective, emphasizing the importance of a cohesive and coordinated software lifecycle. Tailoring processes to project needs. Before we conclude, let's touch upon the concept of tailoring. ISO 12207 is not a one-size-fits-all standard. Organizations are encouraged to tailor these processes to suit the specific needs and characteristics of their projects. This flexibility ensures that the standard remains practical and adaptable. In conclusion, the core processes defined by ISO 12207 form the backbone of effective software engineering. By systematically addressing requirements, design, testing, and maintenance, organizations can build robust, high-quality software products. Thank you for your attention. If you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.